Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve can't extend drive in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to navigate here the start icon and when you go with your disk management and when you try to extend a volume of your drive, the option which is extend volume is being grayed out. Now, in order to fix such, we'll be performing a very basic step, and that is here at the search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the command prompt system as administrator. Where here, you need to type a following command text, which is this. Don't worry because I'll be including this that is at the description box below. Or you can simply post this video so that you can take a picture, you can take a note of it. The very first is disk port. Click on enter. And next is you need to type for list to space disk to show the disk here in our Windows. So click on enter and it will show you the disk available in your Windows. Proceed by typing on select disk number. So all you need to do is you need to select the disk drive based on the size that you have in your Windows. So in my case, the disk one is my drive. So I'm gonna type here select disk one. Click on enter. And once you're done, proceed by typing list part to show the available partition here in your selected disk. So type on list part, click on enter, and it will show you the partitions that is present in your drive. Where here you need to identify the partition based on the size. So in my case, the partition one it's is in 13 gigabyte, and the other partition it's in 1000 MB. So I'm gonna select partition 2. So type for select partition or part 2. Click on enter, and once the selected partition is now partition 2, you need to type for delete partition override. So type here delete space partition override. Click on enter, and once it says here this part successfully deleted the selected partition, there you have that. You have just successfully fixed the problem. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.